हर एक education platform, हर एक university, everybody who is working into corporate is talking about what? One particular thing, and that is data analytics. तो ये इतना शोर किस चीज़ का? इतना ज़रूरी क्यों है? सब इसके बारे में बात क्यों कर रहे हैं? सब ये सीखना क्यों चाह रहे हैं? बहुत से लोगों को लगता है कि डेटा एनालिटिक्स जो है वो सिर्फ वही कर पाएगा जो टेक्निकल बंदा होगा, एंड उसके अलावा बहुत से लोग बस ये सोचते हैं कि डेटा एनालिटिक्स इज ओनली अबाउट वर्किंग ऑन एक्शन सीट्स, दैट्स इट। रियलिटी, डेटा एनालिटिक्स is one of the most powerful career choices of future. For example, you're watching Netflix and maybe you're scrolling Instagram and ordered on Swiggy, ordered on Amazon, or even scrolled on Amazon, and then you used Google Map. These are the applications that you use normally, right? And you be thinking applications ही तो हैं, बना दी हैं, हम इस्तेमाल कर लेते हैं। पर कभी आपने नोटिस किया है कि अगर आप Amazon पे कोई चीज़ सर्च कर रहे हो, उसका एड आपको Instagram पे क्यों आने लग जाता है? आपने गूगल किया कि हॉरर मूवीज ऑफ द ईयर, एंड देन आपका नेटफ्लिक्स आपको हॉरर मूवीज के सजेशंस क्यों देने लग जाता है? आपने बस ब्लिंकिट पे सर्च किया गुलाब जामुन, और फिर आपने स्विगी ऑर्डर किया और आपको गुलाब जामुन क्यों दिखने लग जाते हैं? सिंपल सी बात है, पूरा खेल है डेटा का। आप यहाँ पे जो डेटा एंटर करोगे वो डेटा एनालिटिक्स मेरे जैसे और आपके जैसे वो उसको रन करते हैं। दे प्रोवाइड द रिपोर्ट टू द कंपनी दैट या people are getting curious about gulab jamun here, so the company will try to show you gulab jamun. People are getting curious about horror movies here, so the companies will try to show you horror movies. And people are more into content creators, so they want to find a particular microphone that can work with their voice in a much better way. So Amazon will show you microphones, and that is how the data analysis works. और जो ये सब काम करता है और ये सब काम अच्छे से समझता है और कंपनी को सही इनसाइट प्रोवाइड करता है, वो होता है डेटा एनालिस्ट। कंपनीज आर डाइंग टू हायर समबडी हु एक्चुअली अंडरस्टैंड डेटा। अब डेटा एनालिस्ट असल में क्या बस यही करता है कि उसने डेटा कलेक्ट किया, उसने डेटा एनालाइज किया और उसने अपने मैनेजर को भेज दिया और उसने एनालाइज किया एंड देन दे टुक अ डिसीजन? नो, डेटा एनालिस्ट का काम है प्रॉफिट इंक्रीज करना, कस्टमर्स को रिटेंशन करना, नॉट डायरेक्टली बाय टॉकिंग टू देम बट बाय अंडरस्टैंडिंग देयर बिहेवियर, हेंस अंडरस्टैंडिंग द कस्टमर बिहेवियर, मैनिपुलेट द कस्टमर अकॉर्डिंगली. If somebody is looking for a microphone, they will also be looking for something called a webcam or a better camera or maybe gimbal or a, let's say, a stick that can work as a tripod or as a selfie stick, something like that. Okay, it reduce losses because it analyze in which area the money that we spent is not giving the right output. Hence we will cut off those areas and will emphasize on spending money on those particular areas that are giving us the results, hence lesser losses, and ultimately make smarter decisions for the company. Now people are asking ki still, after all these things, I know the job of a data analyst is very important in a company, but why should I become a data analyst? The thing is, it's a very growing trend, and even in 2026 itself, there are around 280,000 approximate data analytics role that are currently available. So it depends on you. Do you want to be part of that 280,000 people, or want to get stuck in a one particular manual role that you guys are doing that will be eventually replaced by AI? Now the question arises, so in future it is possible that AI can replace data analyst as well, right? No, data analysis can never be replaced by an AI. It can only be faster, it can only reduce the chance, and it can only help a data analyst who will learn the skills alongside to work in much better and a faster way. Those companies who understand the data, they will dominate the market, and those companies who are just like, let's say, हवा में तीर मारना, ये process follow कर रही हैं, they will not. There are number of startups who are trying to compete with their competitors. Their pattern is like, Yeah, we have started this, we have hired full stack developer, we have hired this person, we have hired that person, and now we will create something in house. And after some time they will realize that, oh my god, we are facing fund issues, so they will focus on funding. And then when they get the funding, they will focus once again on the competition. No, you can develop something with the help of right data analysis and with the help of data scientists as well. I will tell you the difference between these two as well. What type of solution that customers require right now? If you will, if as a new company I will try to create a substitute of Excel, my solution will never sold, never. But if I try to make competitor of Tableau and Power BI with much better skills, definitely there will be customers for the same. So this is what the whole process of data analysis works on. Now the question arises, which companies are going to hire the most when it comes to data analysis? The first one will be IT and software, obviously, because companies are now more into AI applications, cloud system, and user behavior. Only then an application will be successful. Secondly, banking and finances. We have to analyze the losses. We have to analyze the fraud and all these things with the help of data analyst. Another one is healthcare. In which particular area there is a demand of ortho, or in which particular area there's a demand of cancer patients, because with the changing scenario in the biology, in the geography, in all various illnesses and various diseases are arising, and on the basis of same, people will be able to understand which particular medicine is working as the best. For example, COVID vaccine, people were taken as a subject as a voluntarily, and when the whole data was analyzed, only then the vaccine was approved, that yeah, this particular vaccine is able to fight with the COVID virus. E-commerce, as I told you, Amazon, Flipkart, Myntra, they all work on data. If I am somebody who's into more into the comfortable clothings, then Myntra will show me the details of more comfortable clothings. If I would be someone who are into more into active wears, I would have been given advertisement of active wears. And similarly to those who are more into fashion and styling, they will be recommended the similar solutions or apparels to them. Digital marketing, tracking ads. Usually digital marketing was worked on cold emailing, and it was like we used to send emails to everybody in every region, every country. And over the time, AI came in the picture, data analysis came in the picture, and people realized that spending money in this particular area, in this particular ad campaign, is not worth as compared to the other one. So with the help of right digital marketing tools, we will be able to assign the money for marketing in various areas that can give us more profit in comparison to those which can't. Manufacturing and supply chain, obviously, and telecom and internet companies. Now here comes the answer. You need to be an engineer to be a data analyst, or you can be a normal person with a normal degree. Many of you will think that somebody who can understand tech, who will be an engineer, who is into coding already, will be able to become a data analyst. But the answer is no. You don't need to be an engineer or somebody who is pro into coding to become a data analyst. All you have to be is a person who can make decisions, who can take decisions in the profit of the company. Either you are a BCom, BA, BBA, MBA, BSc, MSc, whatever you have done, you can become a data analyst by learning the right tools. Data analysis is more about a survival skill in future rather than a skill that can pay you more. It can obviously pay you more if you understand it very well. If you know SQL, if you know Tableau, if you know Power BI, basics of Python, data visualization that you know, and analytical thinking. And that is inbuilt. The analytical thinking is the inbuilt part that we have. If you know these things, obviously you are going to be the one who get paid more in comparison to others. And I hope with the current trend that you guys are looking into, you are already able to understand the requirement of someone to learn AI. Someone who understands AI, someone who understands data will survive in future, and someone who think that they can't, they won't be able to. There are consequences for those people. So on my channel, I am bringing videos over videos related to the tools, related to Python, related to SQL, Power BI in future, Tableau in the future as well. And if everything goes well, then DevOps and other things, cloud computing as well. Who are still confused, they can leave their comment and I will reply to them. Thank you so much and keep watching my videos and do like and subscribe. Bye bye.